is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Cook County, Illinois. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for urban areas and small streams in northeastern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, northern and central Cook County in northeast Illinois until 10 o'clock p.m. At 5:47 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. Radar estimates indicate rainfall amounts of between 1.0 and 1.5 inches within 30 to 60 minutes with these storms. These thunderstorms will continue to track southeast across the city of Chicago through 6:30 p.m. and will likely produce a brief period of heavy rainfall of up to 1.5 inches and produce rapid runoff and flooding. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Arlington Heights, Barrington, Berwyn, Burnham, Chatham, Chicago, Cicero, Des Plaines, Evanston, Forest Park, Franklin Park, Glenview, Harwood Heights, Hoffman Estates, and Lincoln Park. Other locations affected: Brookfield 2, Harper College, Hawthorne Park, Lincoln Park 2, Loyola University, Northeastern Illinois University. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. The following is a special marine warning from